Hey everyone, welcome back to Sip and Dip with Chelsea. For today's video, we are going to be doing holiday giveaway number 4. I'll be using Sparkle & Co products today, and it's going to be a dip into kindness episode. This is going to be my last video for 2020, so I wanted to end it on a positive note. So stay tuned for details on how to enter, and let's go ahead and dive in. So for today's lineup, we have Classy and Fabulous, Coco, Cabana, and Bring on the Bubbly. I felt like these three just screamed classy Christmas to me, but I also love the gold for New Year's. I'll be using my finger rest here from the Nail Prop Shop. I will have that link down below. I will also be using Manny Boss liquids today, and I'll start out with Coco Cabana. So Manny Boss just announced her release date for her liquids and peel base, and that is for December 28th. So be sure to set your alarms, be on the lookout, and be first in line to grab them. So we're going to jump straight into today's Dip into Kindness episode. So today's story is actually from a few years ago, and it's about a man named Chad and a Christmas tree. So Chad owns his own car restoration company, and his local town does a holiday parade where they can enter in and have their own float. So he used one of his vehicles and he added a trailer to the back of it, and he put a tree in the back of his trailer and decorated it all nostalgic. He had the leg lamp for the Christmas story theme, and this is where his story began. So after the parade, he realized that he was always stuck with this extra Christmas tree. So he put out an ad on Craigslist saying, I have this extra tree, so I'd love to give it away. And this is when he was overwhelmed by the response just within minutes of his ad. So to him, all he thought was he was just giving away a spare Christmas tree, but he realized soon after that it meant so much more to many other families who were in need. So one of the emails that he received in response to his Craigslist ad was this: "My husband and I have 6 kids, so you can imagine Christmas time is rough for us. We also have 3 birthdays at the end of the year. Having a real Christmas tree would be such a great blessing this year. Usually, we draw a Christmas tree on a large poster and we hang it in the corner." That just makes my heart sink into my stomach. And reading all of these other emails, because they put other examples in this news ad, he received so many responses just like that to his Craigslist ad. And that's when he realized that it was not just a simple Christmas tree to so many families, that it meant a lot more than just something that you put in the corner and decorate. And he ended up going to a Christmas tree farm where he bought 40 more trees. He knew that he was not going to be able to just go back through all of these ads and tell everyone that, he already picked somebody else. So he ended up getting all of those other trees, and this is not where the story ends. He actually got another response to the ad, but it wasn't from someone in need. It was actually from someone who wanted to join in. So a woman named Anne reached out to him and said that she could not believe his generosity, and it says a lot about his character, and that she wanted to also help. So Anne then donated all of the trimmings and ornaments so that these people who received trees could also decorate them. So Chad stated that he wished he could have bought 100 trees. He said every email that he received pulled on his heartstrings and made him wish that he could do more than just provide a tree for these families. Chad was actually reluctant to even share his story publicly, but it was his wife who convinced him that it was going to be worth it because he could inspire others to do something nice for strangers at the holidays. So I am going to leave you with a final quote from Chad, and this is what he says. He said, "I think it's important to teach the youngsters that life is about giving. It's about paying it forward, a little joy." I feel like we have all been guilty of getting caught up in the Christmas gifting and presents and buying that sometimes we forget it's these little things, you know, not just spending time with family, but something as simple as a Christmas tree that really could make the world of a difference to another family. And it absolutely gives you perspective and tugs at the heartstrings. I am so appreciative that they did decide to share this story, because the second I read it, I just knew I needed to share it with you guys too. So as I mentioned at the beginning of this video, this is holiday giveaway number 4. So this will be my final holiday giveaway of the year. I do already have several planned for next year, so get ready for those ones. But I just wanted to take a second to tell you guys how lucky I feel to even be in this position, to have a platform to do these Dip into Kindness episodes that you guys enjoy as much as me, and to give back. I would not be here if it wasn't for you guys. So thank you to everyone who has entered, and good luck on this one. If you haven't won any of them, don't worry, I have lots more planned in the future. I loved reading y'all's New Year's resolutions or just goals in general that you guys have for 2021. I haven't even stopped to breathe to think about mine. I just finished my finals. I got all A's, so yay. And I start back up in the spring, back full time, back at it. We will be listing our house here any minute. We've got like about 2 more weeks, so we are in crunch time with getting the house ready. And we kind of had a curveball thrown at us recently. So do you guys remember when I told you that my husband, we got our extension here? So we were going to sell our house and move into a rental for our last year. Well, so 2 times a year in the Coast Guard, you can take an exam to advance. And there's so much other things that go into advancing, such as sea time, award points, how long you've been in, but the test does play a big part. So my husband took the test in November. Well, out of like 600 or 700 people that he was competing against, he got number 29. So now we are officially in quote unquote hurry up and wait mode. We have no clue now if he gets to keep his extension, because that's for a second class and he could be advancing to a first class. We have to wait and see how many they advance off of this list and this test that they just had. It's just such a big limbo. It's very possible that we're going to get a call from the detailer, who they're the people who decide where you get to go. And he could say, all right, here's, 2 places, 5 places, or just 1, and say this is what's left over. Because the issue is, back in like October, everybody already put in their list of where they would like to go. You call them a dream sheet. They put them in for this coming summer. So everything's been submitted. Basically now we will get what is called the leftover list, the places people usually don't want. That could be Alaska, that could be somewhere very, very cold, anywhere. You don't really know, and we don't even know if we're gonna get that list or if we get to stay. So it's a very big limbo. I have no clue where I'm moving to when I sell this house. But I will definitely keep you guys posted of the journey and the ride of what's to come for 2021 for my little family here. I have no idea what's gonna happen, but we've been super lucky and made the most of it every place we've ever moved to. So I have no doubt that we will make the next place our home, and it will be a big adventure, and we'll make the most of it. I'm gonna go ahead and file and shape off camera because I feel like I have a lot of work to do with this set. Okay, so I am done filing and buffing my nails. We're gonna do our last and final application of activator, let that dry, wipe them down with a napkin, and then we can do our top coat. All right, so I've got my Mani Boss Dip top coat here. We're just gonna do a few quick strokes on the nail, go around, do the rest of them, and immediately following, do our second and final layer. I'm just going to show you this second layer on my thumb because I feel like you get it, it's repetitive, and dive into our giveaway. So today's giveaway is sponsored by Sparkle & Co. They are giving one of you the Home for the Holidays 2020 collection. What I love about this collection is it's so much more than just Christmas. That glitter red is going to be perfect for Valentine's Day, and the pink, that green is going to be so much fun for St. Patrick's Day. The blue is perfect for 4th of July. So you have to think more so past the holidays with this one because I love it year round. So same rules apply, just make sure that you're subscribed to my channel. If you have an Instagram, please go give Sparkle & Co. a follow. You will be hooked the second you see all of the amazing products that they have. And for my last question for you guys, I would love to hear about something kind that you have done for somebody else or something kind that somebody has done for you. I think that would be so fun to read y'all's kindness stories in the comments. And I love reading them. I don't know if you guys go back and read some of the other ones, but I really enjoy hearing your stories and getting to be a part of it with you guys. So here is the finished product, and this lighting is not doing this manicure any justice. The subtle sparkle in the red is gorgeous. I love this glitter gold for New Year's. It's like I'm blending the holidays together with this one. And I just want to wish you guys, if you celebrate it, Merry Christmas. I cannot wait to see what 2021 has in store for all of us. I know it's going to be great and amazing. Thank you for being here. Good luck on this giveaway. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.